Good day, everyone. Our topic today is project management under the subject of fundamentals of business processing, outsourcing 102. This presentation will explain what a project is, what project management means, the goals of project management, and the different phases of a project. Understanding project management is important because many organizations use projects to develop systems, products, or services. At the end of this session, students should be able to do three things. First, define what a project and project management are. Second, describe the goals of a project management. And third, explain the different phases of a project. These objectives will help us understand how projects are planned, executed, and completed successfully. What is a project? A project is a group of tasks that are done to achieve a specific output or goal. The goal of a project is defined by its requirements, which are the things that must be completed to achieve the desired result. The output of a project can be a physical conduct like a system, report, or a building, an intangible result like a process, or an activity like organizing a concert or event. In short, a project is created to produce a specific result. Another important characteristic of a project is that the output is unique. This means that every project creates something different or customized. For example, developing a new system, creating a new product, building a house. If a task is done repeatedly and produces the same result again and again, it is called an operation, not a project. A project is not completed in one step. Instead, it goes through different stages called phases. This process is known as progressive elaboration, meaning the project becomes clearer and more detailed as it progresses. Each phase produces a deliverable which is measurable and verifiable output. At the end of every phase, the work is reviewed and approved before moving to the next phase. Project management refers to the use of tools, techniques, and processes to successfully complete a project. According to PMBOK, project management consists of five main process groups: initiation, second is planning, third is execution, fourth is controlling, and five is closing. These processes help ensure that the project is completed properly. The first process is initiation. In this phase, the project goal is defined, a project sponsor is identified, the project scope is determined, and the estimate costs and a timeline are identified. The second phase is planning. During planning, the team prepares documents such as project charter, resource plan, cost plan, communication plan, and risk management plan.
Process groups, execution, controlling, and closing. The next phase is execution, where the actual is done according to the project plan. After that is controlling, which ensures the project stays on track. This includes monitoring schedule, cost, quality, and risks. Finally, the last phase is closing, where the project is completed. The team evaluates the results, reviews performance, and documents lessons learned. Goals of project management. The main goals of project management are three things. First, meet requirements, meaning the project must deliver what the client requested. Second, achieve efficient delivery, meaning the project should be completed using the least time, money, and resources possible. Third, minimize risk, which means reducing uncertainty and avoiding problems that could affect the project. Meeting requirements. To meet project requirements, several things must be clearly defined and approved. This includes the scope of the project, the cost or budget, the time or schedule, and the resources needed. Clear approvals must be given before starting and before continuing to the next phase. Quality. Quality is very important in project management. The project must have a structured process to ensure the output follows the requirements. Regular reviews and checks are conducted to verify that the final output meets the expected standards. Efficient delivery. To achieve efficient delivery, the project must have proper plans. This includes activity plans, cost plans, resource plans, risk management plans, communication plans. Having these plans helps reduce mistakes and prevents delays.
Execution management. It must have the right tools, right resources for the task. Must have candid, transparent reviews to catch errors and issues before they have significant adverse impact. Next is the change control. Must have governance to approve changes in scope, various activities, scheduled, resources, and cost. And those are the goal to achieve the efficient delivery.
Minimize risk. To minimize risk, project managers must control change and monitor project progress. They must also communicate clearly with the stakeholder to keep everyone informed about project status and possible changes. Conceptual project phases. There are several conceptual phases in a project. First is approval and scope definitions, where the project idea is approved. Second is planning and design, where detailed plans are created. Third, this is constructions or development, where the actual product or system is built. Slide 15. Testing. Before laughing the project output, testing must be conducted. Testing ensures that the system or product works properly and meets the required standards. Testing may include integration testing and performance testing, implementations, or go live. The implementation phase, the system or the product is officially used. Users transition to the new system and the project team review if the expected benefits are achieved. After stabilizations, the project is formally closed. The summary. A project is a temporary activity that produces a unique result. Project management is the applications of tools and techniques to complete the project successfully. The main goal are to meet requirements, deliver efficiently, and minimize risk. Project also follows phases such as approval, planning, construction, testing, and implementations.